I'm going to quickly show you how to bypass the forced Microsoft account sign-in when setting up Windows 11. Start by pressing Shift plus F10 or Shift plus FN plus F10 on some laptops to open the terminal window. In the terminal, type nspa.cpl, then hit Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Right-click and disable all Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections. In my case, I only have an Ethernet connection. Don't worry, I'll show you how to re-enable them later. Go back to the terminal and type OOBB passnrow, then press Enter. Your PC will restart. After the reboot, you'll notice that the Microsoft account requirement is gone. You can now continue the setup by clicking Continue with Limited Setup, re-enabling Internet access. Once setup is complete, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog, then type nspa.cpl. Press Enter. Now simply right-click and enable your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connections. And that's it, you've successfully set up Windows 11 without a Microsoft account.